Gamezer G8 offers premium gaming experience with dual motor vibration and analog triggers. Whether you're a casual player or a competitive esports athlete, a quality controller can enhance your skills, improve your accuracy, and take your mobile gaming to the next level. Here is the list of gaming phone controllers, featuring a range of options to suit every gamer's needs and preferences. Gamezer G8 Galileo. Compatible with Android and iOS devices, dual motor vibration for immersive feedback, 12-hour battery life with USB-C charging, ergonomic design for comfortable grip, supports cloud gaming and streaming services. The Gamezer G8 offers a premium gaming experience with its dual motor vibration, analog triggers with Hall effect switches, and ergonomic design. Backbone 1st generation. Compatible with iOS devices iPhone 13 or later, sleek and compact design with detachable phone clip, 20-hour battery life with lightning charging. Supports cloud gaming and streaming services. Exclusive features with Backbone app. The Backbone 1st generation is a sleek and compact controller designed specifically for iOS devices, offering a seamless gaming experience with its detachable phone clip and exclusive features. The most notable thing about this controller is that it fits over more phones and cases because it implements swappable magnetic adapters. Razer Kishi V2, compatible with Android and iOS devices, universal phone clip fits most devices. 15-hour battery life with USB-C charging. Razer's proprietary cooling system for extended gaming sessions, supports cloud gaming and streaming services. The Razer Kishi V2 is a versatile controller that fits most devices, offering a comfortable gaming experience with its universal phone clip and Razer's proprietary cooling system. Gamezer X2 Bluetooth. Compatible with Android and iOS devices, wireless connectivity with Bluetooth 5.0, 12-hour battery life with USB-C charging, ergonomic design with textured grips, supports cloud gaming and streaming services. The Gamezer X2 Bluetooth offers wireless freedom and a comfortable gaming experience with its ergonomic design and textured grips. You can even choose to pair it as an Xbox or Nintendo Switch controller according to your preference. Gamezer X3, compatible with Android and iOS devices, dual motor vibration for immersive feedback, 15-hour battery life with USB-C charging, interchangeable phone clips for different devices, supports cloud gaming and streaming services. The Gamezer X3 is a feature-packed controller with dual motor vibration, interchangeable phone clips, and a long-lasting battery. It is a perfect choice for playing graphically complex games at maxed-out settings. Turtle Beach Atom, compatible with Android and iOS devices, compact and lightweight design, 12-hour battery life with USB-C charging, supports cloud gaming and streaming services. Exclusive features with Turtle Beach app. The Turtle Beach Atom is a compact and lightweight controller that packs a punch, offering a comfortable gaming experience with its ergonomic design and exclusive features. Gamezer X2S Type-C, compatible with Android devices USB-C, wired connectivity for zero latency, 12-hour battery life with USB-C charging, ergonomic design with textured grips, supports cloud gaming and streaming services. The Gamezer X2S Type-C offers a wired gaming experience with zero latency, making it perfect for competitive gamers.